Maybe some of your friends are creating a table in Microsoft Excel, and there are several columns that you want to make smaller. Shrinking in Microsoft Excel column will be difficult if there are many columns that we want to resize, therefore it is easier if we change them a lot at once. In this tutorial I will share the method with friends, read until the end. Friends, select the columns that will be resized to a small size at once, by hovering the cursor over the column head until the cursor changes to a downward arrow. Click on the column head, hold then slide to the side until selecting several columns that will be resized. After that, right-click the mouse on the selected column, then select column width. Set the desired column size, then click OK to save the settings. Now the size of the column you selected will automatically change simultaneously. How about it, friends? It's easy, right? That's how to shrink Microsoft Excel columns simultaneously. Hopefully this tutorial can be useful for all of you.